Hello folks, Off-Grid Gary, and what we're doing today, we're doing another roasting potatoes, and I'm going to say this because somebody will be watching it and know who I'm talking about. They're going to say, hey, that's a manly looking Instapot. It's my wife's, and I'm calling out Jim Brink Jr. on this for saying and giving me a hard time about this. It's my wife's, and she'll tell you it's hers. But to make a long story short, we're doing roasting potatoes again. It's plugged in on the golf cart. It's actually done. I got to carry it in the house, and we will open this thing up and show you all what it looks like, and we'll go from there. Hang on. Okay, as you can see, the potatoes are done. The roast is done. And look how tender that baby is. Whew. And there's a lot of roast. It's in nice big chunks. Look at it falling apart. The meat is falling apart. Look at that. Well, you know, we are going to be eating right. And again, just so Jim Brink knows, who lives in a state I'm not going to say, he knows this is my wife's crock pot. Have a great day. Bye.